welcome back to my channel. Today I have my February 2020 Daily Goodie box to unbox. I know I'm like so late, but we're in the process of moving right now, and so I just have not had time to do this, but I figured, hey, last day, it's still all right. So let's get into this box. As usual, I don't really know what's in here because I don't check the email. So it's going to be a surprise for both of us. So let's get into this. Okay. So as usual, you get a little card in here reminding you to review all of the items that you get in this box, because when you sign up, you need to review the box after you get one. That's how they can keep these things free. All right. So, the first thing I have is something called Pure LYFT, Clean Caffeine, Energize Anything Naturally. Oh my gosh, this couldn't come at a better time. Seriously, I did not sleep well last night, and this is going to help me get through the rest of my day and unpacking. So I'm gonna set that aside and probably drink one of these later. Looks like you get quite a lot of them in there, so we'll see how those taste. And then, oh my goodness, I recognize this brand like immediately. Let's see if I can focus. Yes, these are Flathau's gourmet edibles. I had, I forgot what the ones that I had were, but they were so good. I will link down below which ones I did actually have that were so good. I think they might have been a cinnamon sugar like straw. So these are the cheese straws, and ooh, with a kiss of chipotle. So they're a little bit spicy. That's gonna be so good. I love when they send you snacks. Let's see the nutritional. Okay. So there's the facts for you guys. All right. And let's see. Skinny Crisps, gluten-free chocolate mint crisps. Hopefully they taste like Girl Scout cookies. So, and oh, a code, nice. I'm really excited. That's like a drink and 2 snacks already. Oh my gosh, another one of these from like last month. Coco Luxe Hydration, 100% pure coconut water. No sugar added, never from concentrate, and no preservatives. This was really good from last month, so I'm glad to be having another one. Let's see what else is in here. What are these? Oh, like little honey. Raw and unfiltered organic honey packets. Wow. And there's 4 of them in here, and they look like nice size too. Wow, this is a really good box full of like all kinds of goodies. All right, let's see, what is this? Anti-itch soothing cream. I wonder if this is like, if you can use it for bug bites, because we're nearing the spring, and that's not fun. The mosquitoes are already coming out, so that's not fun. Yes, insect bites. Perfect. And so looks like I got 2 of them. So that's great, because where I work, I usually work from home, but normally in the spring and summer, I'm actually down there at the office. So, and those mosquitoes really love to bite me. So that's gonna be very helpful. And then also from last month's box, we get the MONGO Kiss, but in the Yum Berry flavor. And let's see, what are these? What's this one? Oh, and Vanilla Honey. Nice. I love Mango Kiss. Like, it's, like I said in my last video, it's a tried and true favorite, but I have never seen these flavors before, so I'm excited about that. And if you've ever watched any of my other videos, you know that there's usually some kind of like offers in the bottom, coupon codes, but there's none this time, so that's fine. And I'm just gonna put everything back, but yeah, this is a really good box. I'm super excited to try everything out as usual and to see some favorites from last month. So that is all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Please check out the description box below to check out how you can get your own Daily Goodie box. All right, that's it, you guys. Have a good day. Bye.